I lost my husband 4 years ago. It's only me that is mother and father to my children. And I have 4 kids. My children attend to Hope Primary School. So our head mistress now told me that they have summer school here, that I should bring my children. So I decided to bring them here because it's free. They are not collecting any money from us. So she now asked me that they are doing it for adults too. So when I don't have any work for hand, it's only cleaner job that I did. I decided to start coming to learn. They tell me that they will teach for caterer work. They will teach for tailor. So I decided to come to learn how to do maybe pop-off to support my cleaner work with my children. So I learned how to make chinchin there. I learned how to make pop-off. I learned how to make buns. I learned how to at least cut clothes, to do sewing things, to support myself, for me to make money to assist my children, because I don't have any helper. It's only me that struggle with my children. I don't have any handwork that I can do. I'm just a cleaner. Dominion never know his father because I was pregnant 2 months when my husband started saying his stomach is paining him. Start rolling on the floor that his stomach is paining him. And he's doing driver work. He's a driver. My husband is not a trouble man. He's not a trouble man. He's just a good man. After the marriage, his family says me that kill him. Nobody ready to support me. I asked people around where I can see government school to put them. So they tell me that there's a government school around Etiosa side here. So I decided to bring them to Hope Primary School here. So thank God I meet a good teachers here that they used to help me. Sandra is not in the school. My firstborn name is Sandra. That firstborn, because of how things has been hard for me, I removed her from school to go and keep her with my sister to learn anything. Everything is hard. Everything has been hard for me. At that time, it's only me. There's no help from anywhere. My baby was just 9 months when I bring him here. It's just 9 months when I used to bring him. I'll bring mat and put him on mats. And I will go. It's the hair ministry that used to take care of the kids and the teachers. Sometimes they will back in. They will tell me to bring wrapper out. They will back in before we come back. I'm not happy when my children are not with me. Sometimes they will call me that where they are maltreating them. Sometimes they don't give them food. Sometimes they will give them things to go and sell. But they are calling me to come and take them. But if I bring 4 of them here, the load will be too much for only me. I learned how to cut clothes and to sew. I really thank God for this youth foundation. I really thank God for what they did in this school. Because if I go out there, I need to pay money before I will learn this, to achieve this. Now I can go out to make even pop-off, to sell, to support my children. So I really thank you. I'm so grateful. I thank you for everything that you did for us in this school. May God bless you.